Fight him. I don't know. Fight him. Yeah. Fight him. Oh, don't pull too hard like that now. Don't snatch him, just play. I know, just hold him. Just hold him. He's a big one. That might be your biggest one. Real. Really? Oh, don't let your slack get in your line. Bring him down this way. Bring him down this way. There you go. Ho, 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 ho. Don't keep your pole straight like that. Come on. Fight him. Don't try to lift. Don't let your pole get slack like that, dude. Watch. Pull him this way. Real, 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 real. Oh.
Big one. Get him, get him. Whoa.
We got him.
Is he heavy? That's probably the biggest one that's
He's a pretty good one.
No, he's huge.